Hit the reset button on your hair and scalp with an anti-aging mask. Introducing the Tela Life Force by Tela Probiotic Hair Mask. The Tela Probiotic Hair Mask is an intense treatment mask that helps deeply nourish and stimulate the scalp. It helps repair and strengthen any texture. The Tela Probiotic Mask unleashes gleaming shine and color vibrancy, leaving hair silky, full of body, and feeling healthy. The Tela Probiotic Hair Mask contains Philips' revolutionary Tela Hair Immunity Complex of pre- and probiotics and fermented kelp extract that help the scalp rebalance its microflora, helping it to flourish. This helps provide a healthy scalp environment for hair growth. The Tela Hair Immunity Complex helps strengthen and hydrate, leaving the hair shiny and full of body with increased elasticity. Fermented kelp is a source of antioxidants that help fight inflammation of the scalp and protect color and strength from free radical pollutants. Plus, it's abundant in minerals, vitamins, and amino acids, which are proteins. The Tela Probiotic Hair Mask also contains Philips' patent-pending Hydrocharged Ceramide Complex, Certified Organic Quinoa, and Certified Organic Regenerating Blend to help seal in color, hydrate, strengthen, and create shine. Certified Organic Peppermint and Aloe soothe and calm the scalp. And these no-water formulas are based instead in a supercharged color-protecting blend of white, green, and oolong tea. Use 1 to 2 times per week in place of the Tela Power Conditioner. First, cleanse hair and scalp, remove excess water, apply a quarter-size amount of this luxurious-feeling mask from roots to ends. Leave on 5 to 10 minutes, rinse well. For optimal results, apply this treatment several times a week leading up to a color or chemical service, and as part of your regular maintenance afterwards. Place a plastic cap over the hair and then under a hooded dryer for a more intensive treatment. And for an even deeper treatment, first massage 4 to 6 pumps of the Tela Fountain of Hair Vitality Serum into the scalp and work from roots to ends. Then, on top, apply the Tela Probiotic Hair Mask. Leave on 5 to 10 minutes, rinse well, or leave on overnight for transformative results.
Tela cut above the rest.